Atoms and isotopes are two important topics in chemistry, and they're fundamental to the basic ideas in GCSE chemistry. Atoms are actually the particles that make the materials around us, literally any kind of material, from sand to air to water to food. It's basically made of atoms. Common type of atoms that we come across are hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and then there are many more. If you want to know what different types of atoms are there around us that make the universe, we can take a quick look at the periodic table of elements in chemistry. That contains all kind of atoms that we know so far. An atom, if you want to look at the structure, it is a neutral particle. Atom overall does not have any positive or negative charge. Overall atom has no charge. But if you look deep inside the atom, it is made of protons, neutrons, and electrons. We call them subatomic particles. Protons are positive, electrons are negative, and neutrons have no charge. So basically, the atom is made of the particles that do have charge, but overall charge on the atom is zero. The reason is the positive charge of the protons cancels the negative charge on the electrons. So overall charge is none. Another thing that is important to remember for an atom is, in any atom, the number of protons and electrons is always equal. And it stays the same. For example, hydrogen will have one proton and one electron always. All hydrogen atoms will have one proton and one electron. The number of neutrons, however, can vary. Hydrogen atom can have one neutron, two neutrons, or even no neutrons. And that idea lead us to the concept of isotopes, which we will explain in a separate lesson. Right. So as I said, that atom is made of proton, neutron, and electrons. In order to understand the structure of atom easily and use it in different kind of calculations and interpretations, we use the terms called atomic number and mass number. Atomic number is the number of protons in an atom, and the mass number is the number of protons plus neutrons. I've got these three different symbols for hydrogen, sodium, and oxygen. Hydrogen has number 1 and 2. 1 is for atomic number, means number of protons. Sodium Na has 11 protons and 23 proton plus neutrons. Oxygen has 6 protons. So these symbols are actually telling us the number of protons and the total number of protons and neutrons in an atom. This is a very important piece of information that we can use to decipher the structure of an atom and practice drawing atoms, and then further into drawing models of chemical bonding. Yeah, so that's it for today. It was just an introductory session, and we will definitely go into more details in the next lesson.